SDK.finance. To add a new coin type, the developer should add a new type in the CoinType enum object. For example, VAT. Then this new type should be added in the OpenAPI schema, VAT, in the CoinType component. Next, we should change the version. Then, build and publish this artifact to Artifactory. After that, we should change the version of the OpenAPI. Open the REST controller, the method createNewCoin. Go to Create Coin Request. Open CoinType and you will see that the new coin type has appeared and is available for creation.